great success.
A great success!
What makes business successful? Not what you think. When it comes to starting a business, especially to make it successful, what factors matter the most? What really caused the business to become successful? Is it the brilliant ideas that pops out of nowhere when you are showering? Is it a strong and talented team? Is it a right business model? Is it because of good funding, or is it about timing? Based on the research of 100 companies and businesses, from big corporations to a small business, and by comparing 5 of the factors, we found that timing contributes 42% to the success of any business. In this video, I'm going to tell you why exactly timing is such a big deal. Business create product and services. In the end, it's for who? For the consumer, also known as the market as whole. If the market is not ready for some reasons, eventually the customer will not be enough to cover the business cost and lead to failure. Let's say company X managed to open up a space tourism during a COVID period. Well, it's awesome, the idea, business model, team, funding, but due to restrictions, consumers are not able to travel freely, and company X will have tough time going through just because of timing. If correct timing, you will have a low competition and market ready to buy your product and services. Like when you're starting YouTube during 2008, no one cares about production quality of the video. Upload a very interesting video, you get views. Look at PewDiePie's first video, low quality, average content, but still you can get views. Because there is less people who will be compete for the views. Compare now, no quality means no talk. Right timing also means looking for right opportunity. Like during lockdown, what happens? E-commerce saw high like crazy. Everyone shop online since they cannot go out. Conversely, retail business drop. Imagine if you start an e-commerce business during these periods, the chances of success is legit. Let's think in the other way around. Take the YouTube business as an example. If they started in a year when the most people still do not have access to internet, probably year of 1980 to 20,000, do you think they will success? Even they have a strong team, good idea, excellent business model and crazy funding? How people can watch YouTube if most people don't still have access to internet? No audience means no views. No views mean no ads. No ads means no money. Even business like boba tea, you might think this business is not relevant to timing, right? But in fact, that's not the case. Yes, everyone, every time, anytime drink boba tea. But think about the time when you start the business. Does it really full with established competitors? Okay, let's just say you start a boba tea business in Singapore in the year of 2019. Well, it's not 2020 because 2020 is COVID and it's lockdown periods, so it's 2019. Well, it's a bad timing and very difficult to fight with those competitors. When you just walk through the streets, you can find at least one shop that's selling boba tea, especially those big brands. Very well established and has a lot of money to be burned. They could sell more flavors, cheaper and better service. So you have to think about this. Okay, disclaimer please. This is not to say that timing is everything for the business. It still contributes 42% to success of a business, which means only half. And another half will still depends on the team, executions, ideas, business model and funding.